Good morning, everyone. I'm just waiting for more people to come, and then I'll start my session. Just waiting for more people to come. Parents, if you're watching, good morning. Just ask more people to come. I'll be starting by 11. Good morning, good morning. I'll be starting by 11 anyways. I'm just waiting for 3 to 4 minutes. And then I'll be starting the session. Let other people join. I hope I'm audible, right? I hope I'm audible. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you. Guys, join quickly. 2 more minutes to go. Yeah, thank you. Just 1 more minute to go. Okay, so I think we should start. So, good morning, you all. I think you're all safe and practicing social distancing right now. And I think you're all just safe at your homes and just be safe and be with your family. Stay with your family, spend time with your family. I don't think this time will come back. This is the quality time you can spend with your family right now. So, today my topic is how to choose the right career through self-assessment. So when it comes about choosing career, many people think about just giving an aptitude test and we'll be taking up our career. So let me tell you one thing about the aptitude test. aptitude tests are like for everyone, right? Like it is very general, it is not that accurate every time. The only thing that works accurately is your own self, like your own confidence, you knowing about your own character, you becoming self-aware about yourself. So this session is all about becoming self-aware, knowing about your own self, knowing about your weaknesses, knowing about your qualities, knowing about your, you know, where are the points where you can work upon, where are the points, yeah, you can use your creativity, use your mind. So starting with, you don't have to run behind the title, right? You don't have to run behind the title of the profession you want to take up. Like for example, I'll give you an example. I want to become an engineer. Someone, like if a child is saying to his parents that I want to become an engineer, I want to become a civil engineer and I'll build a dam. So it is not that easy just to become an engineer and to build a dam. There are many day-to-day activities which takes to building a dam, right? So are you willing to do that? Are you willing to do all those day-to-day daily activities sitting behind a computer? So like it's not very easy to do so. So you've got to think, like, can you do a job like 9 to 5 job, or are you so creative you cannot be bound behind a structure, you need your own pace to work? So that's where self-assessment comes. That's where you should know about your own self. Like मैं कंप्यूटर के पीछे बैठ सकता हूँ, मैं काम कर सकता हूँ, या फिर मैं कुछ और मुझे करना चाहिए? Should I be self-employed or like nothing else? Do you know there's a fact that 30% of this youth in our India is unemployed, and the rest of the people, majority of the youth who are employed are not satisfied with their jobs. They are under stressful conditions when they work. So I personally am taking this session for you to do, like, to not to work under stress. I just want you all, like my juniors, to work under the best possible conditions, the best possible mental health, and like mental health is all about, like, your career is all about your mental health. So starting off, I said do not run behind the topic. How to not run behind the topic? Okay, now it is very easy to score 8.5 CGPA in 10th standard or above that. It's very easy, to be very frank. Now most of the people in CBSE, what they do is 8.5 CGPA आ गया, now let's take up science. And it's not your problem also. It is a vertical system of education in India कि science, commerce, arts. तो अच्छा मार्क्स आए तो साइंस लो, और सबसे मतलब नहीं ठीक ठीक आए तो कॉमर्स या आर्ट्स लो. तो दिस इज अ वेरी रॉन्ग thinking of people, and that's why people are so stressed right now, and that's why engineering is so much saturated right now. Engineering field is so much saturated because everyone is running. You don't have to become a sheep. अपने को भेड़ चाल में नहीं चलना है. So if you're choosing engineering as a topic, do research about it. You have to go to the deepest end of the career, of the topic, and you have to learn all the subsets of the career that you have. Like बस हो गया, मेडिकल लेना है, मेडिकल में क्या, ऐसा नहीं होता है. Like you've got to take up, मेडिकल में न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट बनना है, you cannot do that. You have to learn about, you have to research about every subset of that particular, that particular field. You've got to know everything that is happening around, and you've got to know the future of the career that you're choosing. So these are all the things that matter. Now what happens is, most of the times we just Google everything, right? Right now, like everything is on our fingertips. We just Google, like for example, architecture, read 2 or 3 articles about it. Oh, very good. That's very appealing to everyone, right? Because obviously सारे professions के बहुत appealing articles होते हैं Google पे, so they take up. It's not like that. Practical usage of mind is very important right now. What you've got to do is, what I'll give you a tip about is, build a team of people which should consist of your parents. Most importantly, your parents and your grandparents. It shouldn't consist of the people who are bringing you down, or are influencing you and your parents. So it should consist of your parents, because you've got to convince your parents, because they are investing in you. So the first thing is, negotiate with your parents, discuss with your parents. But before doing that, you've got to be confident. Confidence is the key. Be confident with yourself. Convince yourself कि हाँ मुझे ये करना है. Make a list. ये करना. Like I'll give you my example. I had a backup plan. I am pursuing law right now currently. बट आई हैड अ बैकअप प्लान कि अगर लॉ नहीं हुआ तो साइकोलॉजी लेंगे एंड साइकोलॉजिस्ट बनेंगे. बट फॉर दैट आई डिड अ डीप रिसर्च अबाउट इट, लाइक साइकोलॉजिस्ट, व्हाट इज अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द काउंसलर, a therapist and a psychologist. Similarly, what are the subsets of law field that provides you? Now I want to become a litigant. I want to become a criminal lawyer. Why? Because I cannot work at someone else's space. मैं किसी manager के अंडर काम नहीं कर सकती. That's why I'm not choosing corporate field right now, because I cannot sit behind a computer for 9 to 5. Like, for me, I'm giving my personal example. So you've got to think about everything that comes with your career. Not about, like, everything is so appealing, but not everything which shines is gold, right? So just think about it very clearly, and it's not like that कि जो दिखता है वो ही है. You've got to research about it. You've got to see both the ends, negative and the positives, and then compare it and then work upon it. So I've told about you the research. Research consists of speaking to people around you. Also speak to the people who are in the field, who are in the particular field. For example, if you want to become a CA, talk to a CA. If you don't have a CA in your family or a family friend, see their YouTube interviews, see how they speak, see how they've got there to the, like, where they are right now. Not all the, like, made, like, big people or like big tycoons type of people, but small people, small CAs, they also have their interviews, they also write their own blogs, read their blogs, like, communicate to them on, like, networking is the key to know about it. So build a team of the people who are in the field, of your parents, of your grandparents, and your well-wishers, your teachers. Your teachers play a very important role. I remember when I was in 12th standard, I was like, we were only 3 to 4 students in humanities in DPS at that time. So it was very new. So I had Nazneen ma'am for me. I hope she's watching. So Yali ho, I'm sorry, Yali ho. So I hope she's watching. So she used to tell me about all the things that happen, like, and how psychology is a blooming thing in India, but it is already there outside of the country. So also future, like, talk to your parents, talk to principals, talk to, like, your class teachers or your supervisors. Our teachers are the friendliest teachers, and they give the most attention, I think so, personally. So, like, and they're always available. So I think, yeah, Yalio. So this is one point that you've got to research. Secondly, what is the future of your career? You cannot just take up any career, like, Yalio, good morning. You cannot just take up any career and you just saying that, bas, okay, I am going for engineering, I am very good at PCM, I am very good, like, at maths, analytical बहुत अच्छा है मेरे पीछे strong, IIT भी crack कर लिया है, लेकिन I am just taking up engineering. Thank you so much, ma'am. ऐसा नहीं होता है. What you've got to do is you've got to see the future of the career. Now what I think basically that there are, all of the fields in India are mostly saturated because of the population of this country. Innovation always works. Innovation is always a big breakthrough to the saturation, but still you've got to build a very, very much, like, secure space around you. You've got to make yourself very secure in what you're doing. You've got to yield some decent amount of money or income in what you're doing. You've got to give back something to your parents, right? So just do this, like, talk to your parents, and parents, this is for you. आपको भी सुनना पड़ेगा. You cannot be rigid, and you cannot be influenced by your neighbors or aunties or like anyone else, because in India it happens a lot. You've got to listen to them. You can negotiate with them, but just listen to them, and you guys just try and like, convince your parents about it. So what I am telling is, like, you tell the future, you go and show your research to them, like, I have done research, this is about this career, I have got a backup plan, I have got my priority, top priority पे ये है, second priority पे ये है, इसमें इतना आगे income का है, इसमें इतना आगे जाके और blooming हो सकता है industry में. There are so many blooming industries currently. So if you're in 9th or 10th, please think about which stream you're taking up. Please think about it very carefully. And if you've already chosen your stream, please think about what are the opportunities, or what are the, like, paths like ahead of it. In science, not many people know about it, but microbiology, many things in many things in PCB are available, but people are not pursuing it. Medical में जाना है, नहीं हुआ तो dentist बनना है. It's not like that. Many like agriculture industry is growing, उसमें भी biology के students चाहिए होते हैं. Maths के लिए you can take up urban planning. Urban planning में maths बहुत लगता है. You can go for aviation. There are many things which science also provides. Also, when it comes to commerce, there are so many things that happen after commerce. CS तक ही नहीं होता है. You can be a businessman, you can be an entrepreneur, you can start your own startups, right? So this is what commerce gives you. Commerce gives you a mind of, like you just have a practical usage of your mind. Coming to humanities, you can go for mass comm, you can go for media, you can go for law, you can go you can do anything, you can do arts, literature, anything that you want when it comes to humanities. This is the sole reason that I took up humanities. Even I scored a decent CGPA in 10th, but I didn't go for science like most of the people do. So this is what you've got to see the future of what you're planning about, right? The fifth thing is there are 3 P's that you've got to take care about. First P is your passion. Just listen carefully. First P is your passion, second P is your preference, and third P is your personality. Now imagine the personality is over here, your passion, yeah, I'll describe it later on, Ayush. Yeah, so the first P is the last P is personality, passion and preference. Preference and passion are directly connected to the personality. How? I'll tell you. You have a passion of becoming a lawyer, but your personality is to work you're of a personality which is made for organizational organizations, not for law but for organizations. You have a mind of like a businessman. You can go for MBA, you can go for BBA, but this is a personality. How you already तुम बचपन से ही ऐसे रहे हो, but तुम्हारा पैशन है कि मुझे लॉयर बनना है. वाई? बिकॉज तुम्हारे डैड वो लॉयर है. और यहाँ पे बहुत होता है, ये इनहेरेंट रहता है कि डैड लॉयर, दादा लॉयर, बेटा लॉयर. तुम्हारा पैशन ये, बट तुम्हारी पर्सनैलिटी है. अगर पैशन एंड पर्सनैलिटी ओवरलैप नहीं हो रहा है, इट इज़ नॉट मेड फॉर यू. I'm telling you, it is not made for you. It is going to put you under stress. Even though if you will earn, I am sure you will earn a decent amount of money, a decent amount of income out of it. You will yield a very nice income out of it. But what about your mental health? Nowadays, career is all about mental health. पैसे तो हर career से मिल जाते हैं. If you're happy in what you're doing, you don't have to drag yourself to your work every time, every day. You've got to be happy in what you're doing, right? When you talk about preferences, what are the preferences? You cannot stick to one option. I'm telling you, I've told this earlier also, but I'm telling you again. You cannot stick to one preference. Make a list of things that you've got to do. Like ऐसा नहीं है, क्योंकि it doesn't work. Your life is very unpredictable. Our lives are very unpredictable. कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है, कभी भी कोई भी करियर कहीं भी जा सकता है. So what are your preferences? And all these preferences, do they match to your personality? It is very very necessary कि सारे preferences आपकी personality को match करें और आपका passion आपकी personality को match करें. And believe me, अगर आपका passion आपके personality को match कर जाता है, it is the best match ever. Passion gives you the mental, stress नहीं देता है, it gives you happiness. So passion and personality are the best combo. Sometimes people can if I take my example, there are multiple passions, but I took one of my passion which was at the least risk, and I thought to make it my career. There can be multiple passions, but you've got to choose one, only one. You can keep in your preference list all of them, but at the end एक ही choose करना है. Now I'm talking about the high school का level की मैं बात करती हूँ. मैंने वापस बोला है 9th और 10th में please choose your stream, because if there are more people joining, I'm just telling you again, if your child or if you are in 9th or 10th, please choose your streams very carefully. Do not get carried away with your CGPAs, because the scenario changes 180 degree when you come in 11th. इतना burden पड़ता है अगर गलत stream ले लिया तो नहीं. After 12th, what you've got to do is 11th and 12th are the only time where you can experiment everything. Learn about every career that is in your preference list. Research about every topic. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक पहला टॉपिक है उस पे एरो जाके हिट कर गया, बिंगो बस वही लेना है. नो, हर बॉक्स में leave no stones unturned. हर बॉक्स में ट्राई करो, हर चीज़ का देखो, इसमें कैसे इंटर्नशिप होता है, इसमें कैसे इंटर्न करना है, इसमें आगे क्या मेरे लिए अपॉर्चुनिटीज होगी. एवरी सिंगल टाइप ऑफ करियर दैट यू पुट इन योर प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट, लाइक just try them out when you're in 11th or 12th, because ये वापस नहीं आएगा. 11th and 12th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th are the 4 years that will never come back, and these are the most important year when it comes to career building. Because college के बाद I'm telling you, I'm in my second year, currently in my second year, and there are few people who don't even know आगे जाके कौन सा टाइप का lawyer बनना है. Because I'm pursuing law, I'm telling you, like, because they had no idea what they were doing in 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. And right now in this COVID-19 situation, when you've got so much time, so much leisure time, just search upon Google. इतना ज़्यादा चीज़ें आपको दिखाता है, YouTube इतना सारा चीज़ें दिखाता है. Use it in a different manner for few days, just because of your career, because it's not about only making money, but it is also about making a happy life, to give happiness to your future family and to your present family. Last thing is demand and supply. What is that? Demand and supply is a part of microeconomics. If you're in commerce, you already know. If you're not, I'm just telling you. Demand and supply like generally applies to every small thing, like right now, everything. Yeah. So like demand and supply is like a thing which is applicable to every small tiny daily life things in current situation. So when you're talking about a career, is it giving you the proper demand? Is there any demand? आगे जाके that's what इंडिया का मैं प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन बताती हूँ. इंजीनियर्स की डिमांड ही नहीं है, तो भी इंजीनियर्स आते जा रहे हैं. आईटी सेक्टर में पहले बिल्कुल कुछ भी नहीं था. नाउ आईटी सेक्टर इज सैचुरेटेड. देयर इज नो डिमांड, स्टिल देयर इज अ सप्लाई. The supply is over concentrated and the demand is like already diluted, so you cannot do this. So you can you've got to see the balance between the demand and supply. What is the demand, what is the supply? Is there any deficit in demand that you can fulfill? Is there any surplus in demand that you've got to withdraw from it? This is all these all things depend upon your research. You've got to go to the deepest, and again, everything comes to your mental health, everything comes to your research. How deeply you research in these 4 years or in these 2 years. If you're in 11th, it's not too late. If you're in 12th right now, it is not very late, but you've got to start it right now. If you're a parent, please tell your child to make a team, as I already said earlier, but I'm saying it again. Make a team, build a team. Parents होने चाहिए, because those are the people who are investing in you. Grandparents होने चाहिए, because those are the people who are always going to those are the people who are well wishers of yours. Teachers, and also some people who are in the field. This is the team which is going to consist of your child to discuss the career he's interested, right? To discuss with the career he's interested in right now. All these things are interconnected. I'm just saying you, while you're in these 4 years, like the time of your last years of your school life, just research about what you're going to do. Just research about and try out everything. Do not leave any stone unturned. I'm telling you again, try out everything. Okay. Now, lastly, I'm talking about the competitive examinations. Competitive examinations is something that not many people know about, how unpredictable they are and how important they are. Okay, competitive examinations. People right now also have the OG thinking, the old school thinking, that 12th में ही marks लेके आने हैं. 12th में marks are very important, no doubt. 12th के marks are very much important, but competitive examinations के marks are as important as 12th के marks. और कभी कभी तो ऐसा होता है कि some universities don't even see the mark sheet of 12th standard, but and I'm not telling you to leave 12th standard की पढ़ाई. You've got to score well in 12th also, but also in your competitive examinations. Now, what I'll be suggesting or what I'll be advising as your senior is that you've got to just give 1 to 2 hours of self-studying in that particular competitive. If you've chosen a career, if you've chosen a stream, मुझे for example, I've got to give medical का examination. So, or yeah, yes sir. And for example, if you want to pursue engineering में you've got to crack JEE, Okay, so JEE के लिए what are the things which are necessary? Type them out. I am not the best person to tell you that because I am basically from a law background. I am not the best person to tell you this, but I am just telling you to research, and I will not tell you this because I will not. This is upon you. This is upon your research. That's why some people are cracking JEE and others are not, because they are not doing the proper research for it, right? So you just got to like research upon it and give 1 to 2 hours of self study. 1 to 2 hours of self study. You do not need to go into any institutions. There are some institutions, like I won't give the names, but there are some institutions that parents put you in. These are good, but besides that, 1 to 2 hours of self study. Even though if you're pursuing BBA and you've got to get UGAT examinations, or you're giving CAT, or if you're giving CLAT, for these kinds of examination, I don't think the institutions are also like required. For JEE, I think it is. For like medical examinations, I think it is. But for BBA, law, or like CAT or CLAT, this is not important. So just 1 to 2 hours of self studying every day will help you out of the competitive, because competitive examination में तुम्हारे मार्क्स नहीं आएंगे तो तुम्हें कॉलेज में नहीं एडमिशन मिलेगा, ठीक है. अब अगर कॉलेज में मान लिए कि कोई अनप्रेडिक्टेबल होते हैं, कभी कभी बहुत ज़्यादा कट ऑफ मार्क्स हो जाते हैं, कभी कभी बहुत ख़राब मतलब हो जाता है सिचुएशन, तुम्हारी गलती नहीं है, तुम्हारे हाथ में नहीं है. इफ सम डे इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू क्रैक इट, व्हाट यू गोइंग टू डू नेक्स्ट? कोई भी कॉलेज में जाओ, द लास्ट थिंग which will be there, which the factor which will be important is your own confidence and your own skills. कोई भी कॉलेज में जाके इफ़ यू डेवलप योर स्किल्स, बैचलर्स के बाद इफ़ यू परस्यू योर मास्टर्स फ्रॉम अ वेरी नाइस यूनिवर्सिटी, फ्रॉम अ वेरी नाइस प्लेस, बैचलर्स वोंट इवन मैटर. एंड इफ़ यू गॉट द स्किल्स, अगर तुमको मास्टर्स नहीं करना, बट इफ़ यू गॉट द स्किल्स, इफ़ यू गॉट द कॉन्फिडेंस, द राइट अमाउंट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस एंड स्किल्स, तुम किसी भी कॉलेज से ग्रेजुएट हो गए, you will make the best out of yourself if you're happy with your with what you're pursuing. That's where the happiness comes and the mental health comes. Not many people, when they talk about career, talk about mental health of a child, but I know, because I am in the same generation of yours, so I'm just telling you that simple चीज़ है. अगर आप खुश नहीं है तो आप वो काम नहीं कर सकते. यू विल यील्ड, आई एम अगेन सेइंग, बहुत पैसा है, बट अगर खुशी नहीं है तो यू विल जस्ट हैव टू ड्रैग योर सेल्फ टू वर्क एवरी डे. सो these are all things. I'm again repeating it. Research, self-assessment, title. Do not go behind the title. Titles are like, you don't have to go behind a prestigious title if you're not happy with it. मम्मी ने बोला है सिविल सर्विसेज में जाना है, बट मुझको नहीं जाना है. मेरे को सिंपल सा CA करना है. CA का इतना बड़ा पोजीशन नहीं होता एज एन IPS ऑफिसर इन कंपैरिजन, बट मेरे को अगर CA में खुशी मिल रही है, I'll do CA and convince your parents. That is upon you, and parents have an open mind. I'm just telling you that. Just have an open mind, listen to them and negotiate with them. Everything will be fine. Thirdly, the 3 P's, they should overlap. The preference, personality and passion. These 3 P's should overlap with each other. Fourthly, what is the future of your career? If your career has no future, has got to a saturation point, and if it doesn't allow more people who are not at all innovative, it won't work. I'm telling you. So just see about what is the future of your career, how much income can you yield out of it. And lastly, what is the demand and supply? What the world is demanding, what India is demanding, and what abroad is demanding from you. I am telling you, psychology is not a good subject to pursue in India, but out of India, everyone needs a therapist. Every single buddy. In India, we have neighbors to talk to. In abroad, we don't have anyone to talk. They don't have anyone to talk to. आपस में ही बात नहीं करते in the family. They talk to their therapist. So if you're thinking to pursue psychology, think of going abroad. So these are the things that you have to, explore yourself. Nobody else is going to help you. And again, school is the best time because everything is spoon fed to you. I'm telling you, the teachers are so concerned about you in school. I'm just telling you, I took my teachers for granted. Now in college, I just think that they're not even helping us. They don't even care about us. Textbooks are available in schools. College में कुछ available नहीं होता. You've got to Amazon everything. Teachers are not at all concerned. कुछ books नहीं, कुछ notes नहीं. School में everything is spoon fed. Everything is given to you by your teachers, and your teachers are concerned. वो तुम्हारे पीछे लगे रहेंगे कि काम करो. But this is why you're so free that you can think about your career right now. And if you take these 7 to 6 points which I told you seriously, I think it will help you out to pursue your career. So yeah, this is all I have for today. and I'm so grateful for you all to see me today. Like, I'm just feeling so nostalgic right now, and I've had the best time here. I am just telling you, I've had the best time here, and I miss DPS more than anything. Every day I miss DPS. I'm not lying. Honestly, I'm telling you. So like this, I'm very grateful for Mr. like the principal sir to invite me over here. Very big privilege for me, and to all the teachers, I'm just saying Yali-o, and I miss you all, and thank you so much. Thank you so much. So yeah, Yali-o and bye bye, and take care of yourselves and stay with your family. Bye.